Hello. Today we're going to be learning about multiplying binomials. So binomials, traditionally we use FOIL to go ahead and multiply them, but today we're going to learn a non-traditional multiplication way, comparing it to double-digit multiplication. So let's go ahead and just do this problem I have here. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Then we have a placeholder 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. We're all very familiar with this at this point. So the question is, can we do that same method but with binomials? And the answer is yes. We just have to be careful because binomials have terms that cannot be combined. So we're going to have to make sure that when we place those terms here, we place them somewhere where they're not combining with other terms. I'll show you. Let's go ahead and 1 times 1 is 1. We know that. 1 times x. Now 1 times x is 1x, or simply just x. If anything I say doesn't make sense, we can go over it at a later point, or I can make another video. Okay, in this case, I'm going to write 1x. All we see are positive terms, so we're going to keep all these terms positive. That's it for the first round, so we go ahead and put our placeholder 0 down. If we want, we can also say plus here, just to keep it consistent. Then, again, we're going to do 1 times x, which is 1x. Okay, and then x times x. That is another term that cannot be combined. So we're going to have a positive here, and it's going to have its own term there. All right, now we add all these together. 0 times plus 1, 1x plus 1x. We're just adding these coefficients, so 2x, and essentially 0 plus x squared. It's going to be x squared. So here's our answer. Okay, I know that was really fast. I can always do another video and go slower. You can book a session with me. I want you to go ahead and try either using FOIL or this method I showed you today, these two problems. Good luck.